Hello everyone, welcome to Hans's Creations. Today I'm going to show you my new Lego Soda Dispenser and I'm going to show you how to build it. This is how it works. First, I'm going to tell you what types there is. First is Coca-Cola, then is Fanta, then there's lemonade, last there's strawberry. This is how it works. First, I push this. Out comes my Coke bottle. And it's the same thing for all the others. Fanta, lemonade, and strawberry. These are the pieces you need. One 1x4 brick. One 1x2 long brick. 3 1x2 bricks. 4 1x1 bricks. 4 1x1 snot bricks, 4 1x1 Technic bricks, 6 2x4 plates, 1 1x4 plate, 2 1x1 plates, 1 2x4 tile, 4 1x4 tiles, 1 1x2 tiles, 2 grilled pieces, 1 slope, 2 cheese wedges, 4 Technic pins, and 14 studs. Let's build. First, take these two. And then take these two. Put it in the bottom corner. This to kind of move. This four. Ta-da! Now, I think I want some Coke. And my mom wants Fanta. My dad wants strawberry. Yeah. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please like and subscribe. And also leave a comment down below. Bye!